Are you planning to send money abroad for investment, property, family maintenance, or for your child's education? But worried about the 20% tax collection by bank, which is known as TCS, that blocks your cash flow? What if I told you there is a legal way to reduce it or even avoid it? Stay with me because in next few minutes I'll show you exactly how using Form 13. Under India's liberalized remittance scheme, you can remit up to 250,000 US dollar outside India. But while doing such transactions, banks are required to collect TCS, which is tax collected at source. From April 2025, the threshold has been increased to 10 lakh rupees a year, meaning that banks are not required to collect TCS on payments up to rupees 10 lakh in a financial year. But beyond that, the TCS can be as high as 20%. Now, to understand the nature of this TCS, this is not an additional tax. This is sort of a prepaid tax that you can, claim while filing your tax return. You know, to set off your tax liability, and in case there is none, you can claim a refund of it. But the real problem is till that time your money is sort of blocked, and that's where Form 13 comes in. Form 13 is an application under Section 197 of Income Tax Act. It allows you to request Income Tax Department for a lower or nil TCS certificate. Once you submit that certificate to bank won't charge you 20% upfront. They will basically be charging you as per the rates mentioned in the certificate, which ultimately leads to no unnecessary cash flow blockage. Form 13 makes sense in most cases, like high value transaction for like purchasing property outside India, educational or medical payments where the actual liability is low, NRIs or resident in India with no taxable income, and claiming DTA relief where the actual tax liability is nil or very minimal. So the key takeaway from this video is plan in advance. If you apply for Form 13 before making any remittance, you can avoid your funds being locked up with the government. But if you do not file for Form 13, you could end up, locking up your fund with the government and claiming it back while filing your Indian tax return, and in some cases, which could, lead to months of waiting. So the next time you or your client plan for a big remittance abroad, do consider about Form 13, as it will help you for better cash management. That's it from my side. If you found this useful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more practical insights on tax and finance. Drop me your question if you have any. I'm sure you'll be having plenty of it, and I'll be happy to help.